Hello, this is Nonna Maria. Hello, here I am, bringing to you not a caponata eggplant salad that I did videos ago, but pumpkin caponata. Same ingredients. And by the way, for the full recipe, you can always download or join my YouTube at Nonna Maria 1433. Same thing goes in: olives, green olives, onions, celery, carrots, and 1 clove of garlic, white vinegar, and sugar. Instead of frying the pumpkin, I baked it first with a little olive oil. And now we begin. And did I mention tomato paste? I don't know if I did or did not. We're starting hot pan. Like I say, I didn't fry it. I baked the pumpkin, so this way it comes out less oily. And first, we're gonna saute the veggies until tender. Never done this before. I got it from a friend of mine from Sicily, and she said, "Did you ever try the pumpkin caponata?" I say, "No, actually I never did." And even this, we eat it cold. I'm gonna put even the garlic, because we do eat, like I made the last time, pumpkin. I roasted also with garlic, vinegar, and oil. This was my mom's favorite side dish. Well, actually, the whole family. That's why I say, sure, I tried the caponata too. Put some red pepper flakes.